Jason with my 914. So I'm driving in my crusty little Prius down this bumpy dirt road to my garage. It's a few miles away from where I live. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but I live way up in the mountains, up way worse roads than this. So my 914 is not going up there, at least just yet. We'll see maybe on one of the future videos. Maybe we'll drive the 914 up roads no Porsche is supposed to drive up. There's my 914. All right, so we're doing a little warm-up dance. I have fuel injection, and I have to throttle the gas a little bit, the accelerator, to keep it warmed up so it doesn't stall. Do that for just a few minutes so you can hear it dropping down there. Oh, wow, wow. Come on, baby. Come on, little baby. All right, so we're driving bumpy dirt roads. I hate having to drive my car down this road. And it just stopped. It's not warmed up. It's the worst. My poor little car. My poor little car. Oh, look at the pretty sky back there, though. Can you see the moon? I'm on dirt road. There's nobody on this road right now at this time. I'm not too worried about crashing into anyone or the fact that I'm breaking the law and on my phone. Basically, I'm in the absolute middle of nowhere right now and going less than 5 miles an hour. Oh, it's the worst part coming up here. Something you don't ever really want when you have a bare metal car is for it to rain. I use my Gibbs, but it's still not something that's highly desirable. All right, we're still on our way. This is Dave, and he's gonna show us his 914.
This is my 1971 914 4-cylinder. I accidentally bought this car on eBay, not thinking I was gonna be a top bidder. So I spent the last year completely rebuilding it from where it was. Basically everything except for the paint is new. New massive 2.4 liter motor, new transmission, rewired the whole thing, new rims, new brakes, new shocks, new struts, lots of little accessories, lots of interior work, and still need to do a few things like finish the exhaust, but right now it drives and it's quick. I think my favorite thing is that it's convertible. So everything in here has been powder coated on the motor, all the tin. Try to keep it looking nice.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
The interior was done by SOS Customs in San Diego. Basically, it had a 1.7 in it. Pulled all of that out.
Looks like a piece of a guardrail. It's a shape like that. And you know these things. Sorry about your team, buddy. Oh, I know.
I'm here with Elliot, who's going to show off his 914.
It's a 73. The motor's from a 75. I was just talking to somebody about originality the other day, and I said the only parts original on this car anymore are the two doors, trailing arm suspension. Everything else has been changed, is different. So 2.2 liter 4-cylinder, 147 horsepower, and I've had it for 14 years.
Show us what maybe your favorite thing about your 914.
I just put fiberglass fenders on it, 2 fiberglass trunk lids, and
that in there anyway?
It's a Type 4. It's a 2.2 liter. Fat performance
Yeah. 4.
I got 8 containers there.
EBS. I got the 150. I was gonna build me a 2.5.
We're here with Gus, who's going to show us his 914.
This is a 76 914. It's been in my family since 1980. I got this car in 2007. Car has been repainted, new interior, new motor. Still has some little details to be worked out, but at least 50-15s. The trunk lid and the hood are actually carbon fiber.
Oh yeah, sure are. Very nice.
The tank was completely redone. As you can see, the car really didn't need much
Yeah, it's a
work.
beautiful
It was
car.
mainly the exterior. The car is complete, no rust. It's been a California, Arizona car all its life. Here's the trunk.
And this carbon fiber as well.
It is
Yeah.
carbon fiber, yes.
Very nice.
So it's all clean, no rust.
What's your favorite thing about your 914?
Everything. Actually, I have 3. One is parts, and the other one is a race car. And this is what I did to the motor. It's
Oh yeah.
2356 stroker.
Looks real nice, Gus.
Let me start it up.
Please do.
Red stitching on the leather to match the color of the car.
Thank you, Gus. I appreciate you showing me your car. Here with Johnny, who's going to show us his 914.
Hello, my name is Johnny. It's a 1973 914 in signal orange. I've had this car for about 10 years. The paint job on this car is about 15 years old. It's painted the same original color. It's got the 5-spoke Fuchs on it. This car, my favorite thing is just being able to just get into it with me and my wife and taking rides to up the mountains. Just like cruising in it. I take it out probably every weekend, at least for a couple hours. The steering wheel, there's a little unique little feature of that steering wheel. I've had that steering wheel since I was in high school. It's been probably in about 3 or 4 different other cars. It's a 1.7 with a big bore kit in it.
Very nice.
And I really love velocity stacks, so I didn't want to cover them up, so I came out with this little idea of putting a little plexiglass
Yeah.
lid on. Yeah.
Looks real nice.
Yes, I went also with a marine battery, which it works a lot better if you don't drive your car too much. Okay, you're welcome. Thank you for taking.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Back on the bumpy roads. Ah! My poor car. Oh, it makes me so sad. Every bump makes me so sad. Oh.